If you're worried about your bills, particularly if you're worried about foreclosures, stop and listen to this. Most people think that foreclosure is about missed payments, and the reality is that was largely true in the last 2 times that I've been at this over 25 years. But I'm convinced that in 26 and 27, a lot of the defenses and the relief that consumers can find is going to relate to servicing abuses and servicing violations on the banks. Part of that belief comes from what I know is happening internally with the servicers. After COVID, the banks never caught up. The modification problems, the forbearance programs that we're required to enter into, their accounting systems haven't caught up. In Florida, we had all these hurricanes, the insurance disputes and other escrow disputes. Their accounting systems can't keep up and can't keep track of it. So that's why, dear citizen, you're feeling the frustration of dealing with a bank and a servicer that's not servicing that correctly. Well, what can you do about it? The reality is this. Servicing guidelines are law. 12 CFR 1024-37 requires very specific notices, very specific servicing practices, and the systems that exist in many of the services right now never caught up after COVID, even in the best of circumstances. But we had a couple of things laid on top of that, particularly again here in Florida, the hurricanes that produced all kinds of forbearances, all kinds of modifications, and it's almost impossible for the banks to do it right. So what you need to be doing right now, even if you can't make your payment, on top of all the other servicing problems and whatever else, you have to start building the case right now that the problems that you're experiencing with payment are not yours entirely, but they result from servicing problems on the other side of that. And so all of this effort that you're spending trying to call your bank, your mortgage company, and you can't get results, you need to start documenting that right now. That is best done, as I've suggested, with AI. Plug this stuff into a good AI engine that we've developed that plugs in all of the servicing guidelines that they're required to do, and will show you at each step in the process where the bank is violating the servicing requirements, the law, the federal law that they're required to do. Keep in mind, if you're in modification or forbearance, particularly natural disaster related ones, there are very specific requirements under Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, FHA, VA. You got to document this stuff. The payment misapplications, it's going to be difficult, maybe impossible for them to get correct. So if you are feeling financial pinch, worry, concern, like and subscribe here. But importantly, get this stuff plugged into AI now, because the client that has the dispute well documented at the front end, well organized, and even those that are taking these offensive foreclosures, that's what foreclosure in 26 and 27 is going to look like to come up with wins for the consumer.